my phonics superheroes, and welcome to day 21 of my Phonics Boost. Well done on coming this far. I hope you're seeing an improvement in your phonics skills and your confidence too. But we've still got a lot more learning to do. So let's get our phonics brain switched on, our superhero listening ears switched on, and let's get started. So my phonics superheroes, because we're on day 21, we've got some new focus sounds. And in our focus sounds, we have got our first digraph. Now a digraph is when two letters make one sound. The letters Q and U together make the qu sound. Qu. Excellent. Right, let's look at all of our focus sounds. My turn first. J. W, qu, y, x. Excellent. Let's do them together one more time. J, w, qu, y. Excellent. Let's see if you can do them by yourself. Are you ready? Excellent. Well done. Now they are our new sounds, but of course we don't want to forget the sounds we've been learning. I know you know these ones, so just you. Excellent. Right, I'm going to put these sounds with our new ones. Let's see if you can do them all together. Excellent, well done. Now, just because we've got new sounds, we're not going to forget the old ones as well. Are we ready? Just you. See if you can remember them. Excellent. And can you remember even further back? We're not going to forget these ones. Excellent, well done. Now, the sound that we're going to be focusing on today is the J sound. And the J sound is a short sound. J, J, J. Let's practice saying it. J, J, J. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the J sound. Let's find some objects that use the J sound. Right, my phonics superheroes, in my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the J sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort it out. Are we ready? Oh, it's happened again. It's empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our magic words? That's right, we say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it's worked. Phew. Right, I'm going to pull out an object and I want you to tell me yes if it starts with a J sound and no if it doesn't. Are we ready? Jug, yes. Hat, no. Can we see what this one is? Jaguar, yes. Rabbit, no. Jam, yes. Right, I'm going to put all of my objects back inside and this time I'm going to pull them out much quicker and I need to tell me yes or no. Are you ready? Excellent. Well done. Thank you for helping me sort those out. Now we're going to practice some oral blending. For our oral blending, we need to make sure our superhero listening ears are turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you blend it. Are we ready? Job. Job. Jam. Jam. Jog. Jog. Excellent. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars. For our new J words, I'll sound them out first and then I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? Job. Job. Your turn. Job. Jam. Your turn. Jam. Jog. Jog. Your turn. Jog. Excellent. Now we've done them together once. Just you. Job. Jam. Jog. Excellent. Right, our challenge word today. It really is a challenge. Look how long that word it is. The word is jumping. And our challenge word has got a digraph in it. That is 2 letters that make one sound. The letters N and G together make the ng sound. My turn first. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. Your turn. Jumping. I think I'll do this one again. It's a big challenge today. J-U-M-P-I-N-G. Jumping. Your turn. Jumping. Excellent, my phonics superheroes. Right, time for a rewind and we're going to go over some words we've looked at over the last couple of days. Now, because we've done these before, just you. Van. Vet. Excellent. Now we've looked at this one a couple of times. Let me see if you just know it. Leg. Leg. Excellent. Moving on to our tricky words. And our new tricky word today is her. 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 Excellent. Let's see if you can remember the tricky words we've already started. She. He. They. Excellent. Let's do them together. She. He. They. Excellent. Right, let's put our new one into the pack. Can we remember? Her. She. He. They. Her. Excellent. Well done on your reading today. Right, my phonics superheroes, you're nearly at the end of day 21. Well done, you. Before we finish, we're going to go through our focus sounds and play our little game. Now, I'm going to say them first and then it's going to be your turn. J, W, Qu, Y, X. Your turn. Do you think you could do them faster? I think you can. Excellent, well done. Right, I'm going to take one away now and you need to work out which one is missing while still saying them out loud. Are you ready? Which one was missing? What? Right, let me see, which one am I going to take away this time? Are we ready? Which one was missing? Qua. And last one, let me think, what am I going to take away this time? Are you ready? Which one was missing? Yeah. Excellent, well done. You are finished another day. Well done you. I hope you're feeling very proud of yourself. I know I'm feeling very proud of you. Give yourself a great big pat on the back. 1, 2, 3, well done me. Well done, and I can't wait to see you for day 22. Bye.